Is FLR Network FLR token ready to surge? I think there's a pretty good chance that this token will be surging soon based on what I'm seeing here on the charts. And what I'm seeing here on the charts are quite a few bullish patterns here that I've been talking about for FLR Network. If you guys been watching my channel, you guys know that this is nothing new. Okay, I'm just going to be doing a quick recap for you guys here. Now, this is the weekly time frame for FLR Network, okay? I've been talking about this falling wedge pattern that has broken out back in August of 2024. Price target for this breakout here is going to be about 4.45 cents here. Now, Flare Network has broken out but has not quite yet met its price target. It went all the way up to about 3.8 cents before coming all the way back down, and now it's working its way back up. Now, this breakout here is still valid because the price action is still above the upper trend line of this pattern here that it broke out of. Since the breakout of that falling wedge pattern, it has also formed a double bottom pattern, which I talked to you guys about. Now, double bottoms are also bullish patterns that has a higher chance of breaking to the upside. All right. Now, these are just probabilities. We're all just talking probabilities here, okay? Nothing in this market is 100%. Now, the price target for this double bottom pattern, which has a neckline at about 3.85 cents, price target would be about 6.5 cents price target, okay? Now, price targets are estimates only. There could be more, there could be less. A lot of it is going to depend on what happens with Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is still the driver of this crypto market, whether you like it or not. If it has more room to pump, that is good for a lot of these altcoins. And if it starts dumping, which there's still a chance, okay, that Bitcoin starts dumping, okay, because it is still in a bearish pattern. Until it breaks out of it, there is still a risk. Now, I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here. So my opinions on this market is bullish right now. But these are just my opinions, like the entirety of this video, and it's not financial advice. You guys gotta form your own strategies and opinions. Let's come back to the charts here. Okay, this is still the weekly time frame. I talked to you guys about a smaller falling wedge pattern here, which broke to the upside. Okay, smaller falling wedge pattern here. This daily time frame. Price target would be about 3 cents. Okay, 3 cents, and Flare Network went up to about almost 2.9 cents before getting rejected. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit more and see if I can get any more clarity on what this price action could be doing. Would it still be continuing towards its price targets, or will it be pulling back from there? Okay, that's what I'm trying to answer. Okay, now we have a double bottom pattern here on this 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, double bottom pattern. Neckline would be about 2.5 cents almost. 2.475 cents to be more exact. Okay, that's the neckline of this double bottom pattern. Price target for this double bottom pattern would be about 2.55 cents. So a smaller move, okay, but these are some of the trading patterns from a higher time frame to a shorter time frame and see which of these patterns play out, and if some of the smaller price targets actually get met before the bigger ones get met. Okay, that's how I gauge what's happening in the markets in a nutshell. So this basically wraps it up for this video for Flare Network. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of FLR by dropping a like, comment, subscribe, or any other coins in this market. I'll pick a request to you for you guys on a daily basis. I'll see you on the next one.